A story of connection begins with a young bolt's childhood.
爸爸，这颗螺栓有什么用？
这螺栓啊，用处可大了。你别瞅它不起眼，大楼、大厦能立得住，全靠它。做螺栓啊，糙一点都不行。你糊弄它一下，这大桥、大楼就站不稳喽。
This principle of zero tolerance for shoddiness has been carried to a broader world by Ms. Wu Weiwei. 2010. She started her career in sales and learned that trust is the only passport to success. 2012. She unlocked the international market with a single gasket. 2017. HEBEI YUETONG Fastener Manufacturing Company Limited was officially founded in Yongnian, Handan, the hometown of fasteners in China. Today, this simple belief has become the benchmark that Yuetong upholds in serving the world. From raw materials to finished products, we follow international certification standards and measure quality by precise data, defining the fundamental quality standard for reliable connections. Rooted in Handan, we inherit the cultural heritage of keeping one's word as good as gold, which has been forged here into our corporate belief of integrity as the foundation. We are deeply rooted in Yongnian, Handan, hailed as the heart of China's fastener industry and home to the world's largest fastener industrial cluster. Here, our unique supply chain advantages, 30,000 square meters of manufacturing space, and an annual production capacity of 20,000 tons give us the unshakable confidence to honor our promises. With easy access to ports, we deliver on our commitment of one-stop centralized procurement with exceptional efficiency. Yuetong has grown and thrived here, and we also give back to this land, driving industrial upgrading, boosting local employment, and fulfilling our corporate mission of benefiting society with tangible achievements. Innovation is in Yuetong's DNA, and it is also the eternal flame burning in Handan, a renowned industrial city. From the intelligent operation of our production lines to cutting-edge R&D endeavors, we endow sturdiness with new dimensions and extend the precision of terrestrial manufacturing to the vast sky. We anchor our future with the innovations we make today. Today, Yuetong boasts a full-range product portfolio, establishing a firm foothold in the global industrial and infrastructure markets. Our multilingual team and seamless operational processes ensure that our high standards and the trust we earn are perfectly aligned across the globe, making Made in China a reliable choice for global engineering projects. We are from Handan, and we are heading to the world. From a single screw in our father's hands to a vast product matrix that supports infrastructure projects worldwide today, we have always laid a solid foundation in the finest details and kept our promises across the globe. Yuetong, forge reliable connections, reach a boundless future.